This video is going to show how we can use image resources in Bible Edit. Image resources are resources that display an image that matches a passage. For example, it can display an image for Matthew 1 verse 1 to verse 9, or another image for Matthew 1 verse 10 to verse 15, and so on. How to create a new image resource. Images can only be uploaded when connected to and logged into Bible Edit Cloud. For details on connection and login, please visit the video tutorial on USFM resources. In this video, we skip all these steps as we are already connected and logged into the Bible Edit Demo Cloud. We click on Settings in the main menu, then on Resources, then on Images. We then click Create a new empty image resource. In the next box we enter the name, 1 John, and we click the Submit button. In the list of image resources we click on the still empty resource 1 John. Here we can upload an image, a PDF file, or a compressed archive of them. In this video we will upload a scanned PDF file of the first letter of John. We can now choose a file and click the Upload button. It is now being processed. The journal shows the progress. It has created a number of images. Now we go back to the image resource we are creating. Click on Settings, then on Resources, and then on Images, and then on 1 John. Now we click on the first image and set the passage range it contains. Here it will be 1 John chapter 1 verse 1 to chapter 2 verse 14. So we enter these details and then click the Save button. Back in the image resources, we see that the first image has been assigned the range of 1 John 1 verse 1 to chapter 2 verse 14. Now we also like to see these images besides our Bible text. We click on Translate in the main menu, and then on Resources. We navigate to John 1 verse 1. Then we click Organize, and on the Resource Organizer page we click the plus sign to add the folder with our new images. Now we see that it shows the image for 1 John 1 verse 1. It will display this image as long as the focused passage is in the range we assign to this image. This is how to work with image resources. If we have a scanned Bible, for example, and want to use it during translation work, we can use the image resources to view them on the screen. A desktop displays the electronic text at the left side, and an image resource is shown at the right side. Image resources can also be useful when proofreading a scanned Bible which has been converted to electronic text, for example. Thank you for watching.